Today we're going to show you how to single crochet, and we'll start with how to single crochet into a chain. So we're going to skip the first chain from our hook and start working the second chain from our hook. So to do that, we insert our hook into the chain, then yarn over, collect that yarn and then pull it through the chain so you've got 2 loops on your hook. And then we're going to yarn over, turn your hook and pull it through the 2 loops. And so that is your first single crochet. So let's do that again. Insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, twist your hook, pull it through so you've got 2 loops, yarn over, twist your hook, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And now you have 2 single crochets. So you can see what they look like. We've got 2 little V's. So there are our 2 stitches. So we'll do it again. Insert your hook, yarn over, you've got 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull your yarn through. And then we continue to do that until the end of the chain. Now we're going to look at how to start a new row of single crochet. So you can see here we've finished our first row and now it's time to start our second row. So to do that, we chain 1, and then turn our work. And so we do this so that we get a really nice straight clean edge. And now, like we did before, we're going to skip that first stitch and move into the second stitch in the row. So insert your hook under the V, so under both of those loops, yarn over, pull your yarn through so you've got 2 loops, yarn over, twist your hook, pull it through. And so that is your first single crochet. So let's do that again. Insert your hook under the next stitch, yarn over, twist your hook, pull it through, yarn over, twist your hook, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And now you know how to single crochet.